In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix registered games missing on Discord. If you've been looking for the registered games option in Discord but can't seem to find it, don't worry. This is a common situation, and in most cases, it's not caused by a bug or a problem with your account. Instead, it usually happens because you're using the web version of Discord instead of the desktop application. Once you know the difference, it's easy to find the missing option. To begin, open Discord in your web browser and click the user settings icon in the bottom left corner. From there, scroll down until you reach the activity settings section. If you're using the browser version, you'll notice that only one option is available, which is activity privacy. The registered games option simply isn't included in the browser version, so you won't be able to manage or view your games from there. Next, open the official Discord desktop application. Once it's open, click the user settings icon again and scroll down to the same activity settings section. This time, you'll notice a difference. Instead of seeing only activity privacy, you'll also find registered games and game overlay. These additional settings are available in the desktop application because they're designed to work with games running directly on your computer. Click on Registered Games to open the page. Here, you'll be able to view the games that Discord has automatically detected while you've been playing. Discord recognizes supported games running on your computer and adds them to this list, making it easy to manage your game activity and related features. If you don't see a particular game listed, don't worry. On the Registered Games page, click the Add It option. This allows you to choose a game that is currently running so you can manually add it to your account. After selecting the game, it will appear in your Registered Games list, allowing Discord to recognize it properly. The important thing to remember is that this feature is only available in the official Discord desktop application. If you're using Discord in a web browser, the Registered Games section will not appear, even if you're signed in with the same account. That's why many users think the feature has disappeared when it's actually unavailable in the browser version. And that's all there is to it. By opening the official Discord desktop application instead of the web version, you'll have access to the Registered Games section and can easily manage or add your games whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,